Okay, the job at hand today is part 2 of soundproofing. So I recently released a video showing putting some soundproofing in the boot. The Lexus here, not the Lexus, the Range Rover here has no soundproofing in it at all. If you tap it's like there's no soundproofing in that. And if you have a look inside here, you'll see it's just bare metal under the covers there. So what we're going to do today is take the wheels off, take these covers off, and then put some soundproofing in the wheel well, and we'll see how that goes. And the two products, I got this from J-Car, which is a sound deadener mat, and I've also got this sound deadener brush on. It's like a bitumen type thing that you put under the guards. So we'll give that a go. So if you look at the previous video and sound deadening part 1, you can see that I've opened up the boot and it was just metal, as you can see here, and then we've added the foam in and come out with a nice sound deadened boot. So part 2 just concentrate on putting soundproofing in the tyre well. Alright, so these things don't really screw out. You've got to put your hand behind there and pinch it to push it out. Plastic garbage. Alright, so that's it. Okay, so we've taken out this insert here. We'll just put that over there for later. And now we've got to clean it before we put the soundproof material on. So let's have a look at that. Done. Alright, now for this side, the dirty birdie. And this thing hanging here, that's the breather from the petrol. So if you overfill or expands during the heat, it actually lets vapor out that thing. Okay, So now that we've cleaned it, we now have to just make sure it's extra clean so that stuff sticks to it. So we give it a isopropyl alcohol to give it a little squirt down and make sure everything's good. Just to make sure the stuff sticks, you know. We don't want it peeling off now, do we? Alright, we'll just do the other side. Yeah, look at that go in there. It's too thick to paint, so you may as well just whack it in with the old glove. Look how thick this stuff is, eh? If that doesn't deaden it, nothing will. It's going up good, isn't it? Right up the top is where we need to go. Because it's resonating like a drum up there. Yeah, here we go. Oops. Okay. Yeah. Beautiful. Oh. It's filming that.
just removing any stuff that's on the brakes or whatever. The cag. Okay, that's done. Give it a little squirt of the brake cleaner, make sure we're all good up here. There we go. Alright, let's put the insert back in, eh? Alright, how's this go? Alright, it just sort of slots in.
Okay, you can see that it's been quite a laborious task to take the wheel and the lining off and actually paint that, it's like a bitumen plasticky type product that you put on. The net result is, now that we've taken the car for a drive, it's essentially gone from 71 decibels down to probably 59, 60 decibels. It's incredible, putting the soundproofing in the boot and putting the soundproofing on the metal wheel wells, but the wheel wells, it goes up to the window, so it's just like a big cavity, bit like a drum. But anyway, the net result is we're looking at 59, 60 decibels, and it was 71, 72 decibels. So to me, for $100, this has been a fantastic saving for my car, because I'm used to a Lexus, and I bought this Range Rover. And even though it's got a hefty price tag, it's garbage. And you have to